If I meet you on the road with that same style that you have been rocking for ages, we are going to fight. To wait and see this simple one, you cannot wait, Abby. You better wait and see this simple one that you can do by yourself. Let me now tell you that what you need is this scarf, and you need probably maybe earband to divide it into two, and you direct the excess to cover up that one there. Now go to the back and cross the hand, right to left, left to right. Remember, you are to adjust though, because some of us here will just tie, we don't know how to arrange, and that will not bring out the beauty of the scarf or the gele you are tying. That is the fact. After crossing the hand, pick the one part from the material and twist it. Very simple. Take it round your braids and do the same thing for the other part. Use your edge control to lay your edges very well. Shift back a bit to show your hairline. And this is the final outlook. Tell me how I'm going to meet you on the road like this and I will not admire you. Hope you've learned something today. If you have, let me know in the comments. I'll see you.